Hi students, welcome back to ChemOrgChem. So in this NEET Chemistry 360 series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year NEET Chemistry exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's today's problem. So this is the problem from NEET 2024. According to this problem, which one of the following alcohols reacts instantaneously with Lucas reagent? So here you see there are four alcohols are given. Let's figure out together which one is the correct option for this question. So before moving to the solution, first we should know about what is mean Lucas reagent. So Lucas reagent is a solution of anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid is known as Lucas reagent. In general, Lucas test is useful to distinguish or classify a primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols and which alcohol gives the fastest alkyl halide. So for example, when you take the primary alcohol, when you react with Lucas reagent, which should produce this corresponding primary alkyl chloride. However, this reaction doesn't take place under room temperature. However, when you heat this reaction mixture, which produce this corresponding white colored cloudiness. So the reason for the white colored cloudiness is the formation of primary alkyl chloride. So let's moving on secondary alcohol. So when you take the secondary alcohol and react with Lucas reagent, which produce white colored cloudiness after 5 minutes because the formation of this corresponding secondary alkyl chloride. So let's moving on tertiary alcohol. So when you take the tertiary alcohol and react with Lucas reagent, which quickly produce white colored cloudiness, which is responsible for the formation of tertiary alkyl chloride. So for example, now you take this picture. So here you see, so this left hand side picture, when you take the ethanol under Lucas reagent, here you see there is no change at all under room temperature. However, now you see this right hand side picture, when you take tertiary butanol and Lucas reagent, which quickly produce this white colored cloudiness because the formation of tertiary butyl chloride. Now you have question, why primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol react differently with Lucas reagent? Let's see by mechanism. So here you see primary alcohol, when you take the primary alcohol under Lucas reagent condition, we know that alcohol hydroxy group has two lone pair of electron. So one of its lone pair of electron coordinate with zinc atom. So resulting that oxygen get positive charge. So now you see this carbon oxygen bond cleave, this electron move towards to the oxygen atom, resulting that generation of primary carbocation. So this primary carbocation react with chloride ion. This chloride ion coming from this previous step, which react with this primary carbocation, which should produce this primary alkyl chloride. However, in general, this reaction doesn't take place under room temperature. However, when you heat this reaction mixture, the white colored cloudiness appeared because the formation of primary alkyl chloride. So let's moving on secondary alcohol, just like our previous case. So here you see this hydroxy group coordinate with zinc atom, so resulting that generation of secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation react with chloride ion, which produce white color cloudiness after 5 minutes because the formation of secondary alkyl chloride. So let's moving on tertiary alcohol. So when you take the tertiary alcohol under Lucas reagent condition, which produce tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation react with chloride ion, which immediately produce white colored cloudiness because the formation of tertiary alkyl chloride. I hope most of them aware about carbocation stability order. So according to the carbocation stability, tertiary carbocation is more stable when compared to the secondary and primary carbocation. So therefore, the formation of tertiary carbocation is fast when compared to the secondary and primary carbocation. Therefore, the white color cloudiness appeared immediately in this case. So when you come to the secondary carbocation, the formation of secondary carbocation somewhat slow when compared to the tertiary carbocation. So because of that, white colored cloudiness appears after 5 minutes. So when you come to the primary carbocation, which is one of the least stable carbocation, so because of that, therefore, when you conduct this reaction under room temperature, no reaction takes place. However, when you heat this reaction mixture, white color cloudiness appeared. So particularly this secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol case, this reaction undergo by SN1 reaction. So let's moving to our question. Which one of the following alcohols reacts instantaneously with Lucas reagent? So first we should figure out the type of the alcohols. The first one is a primary alcohols. Since here you see this carbon attached with only one carbon, so therefore this one is a primary alcohol. So this is a secondary alcohols. Since this carbon attached with two carbons, therefore this one is a secondary alcohol, and this one is a primary alcohol since this carbon attached with only one carbon. And the fourth option is a tertiary alcohol since this carbon attached with three carbon center. So as per our discussion, among the four alcohols, the correct option for this question is option 4. That's it for today's problem. I hope this video has helped to understand this question. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe ChemOrgChem. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.